Hello, I'm Isla. We're going to make Start Raving Hazelnut ice cream today. I've run many computations and have concluded the following is the most favourable combination: a Muscovado hazelnut ice cream with a whiskey swirl. Sir? Have you finished in there?
Hey, don't embarrass me in front of the wizards.
Sir, cork it. We have ingredients to buy.
Isla, these hazelnuts and vanilla really don't look great. What should we use instead?
Piedmont hazelnuts are considered the best there are, sir. Also, Madagascan and Tahitian vanilla are widely considered the best vanilla. Shall I order some of each?
Yep, go ahead. What about my options for gold?
Sir, you can buy gold spray, gold glitter, gold powder, but I would recommend gold leaf. Shall I place an order for that also, sir?
Yep, buy it. And what did Tony Stark drink?
Mr. Stark liked many drinks, sir, but Lefroy whiskey was a favourite. You can purchase that in your current location.
Oh yeah, I can see it down there. It's the select though. Can you order some of the 10-year stuff?
Certainly, sir. Consider it done.
Ooh, a little baby bottle. Let's grab that to try tonight.
Sir, you should really consider driving an Audi e-tron.
Did you mean to say that out loud?
Place your milk, cream, sugar and egg yolks in a suitable pan and gently heat to 77 degrees centigrade. Then add your vanilla seeds and the pod itself. Finally, add your Frangelico alcohol and store it covered in your refrigerator. Heat the water and sugar, swirl, don't stir, until your desired colour is achieved. Take off the heat and add your cream mixture. When combined, add a pinch of salt and your Lefroy whiskey. You can transfer this to a heat-proof container, ready for use. Remove the vanilla pod from your prepared base and add your skimmed milk powder and let it hydrate for 20 minutes. When your ice cream base is ready, pour it into your machine and churn. I like to call this machine Vision. When complete, layer your Piedmont hazelnuts and whiskey swirl and leave in the freezer for 4 hours before consuming.
Some people have said that I look tired in some of the videos. I am. This is the reason why. Say hello to ice cream fans. I don't know. Thanks for watching what is so far possibly the most extravagant ice cream making video, well, certainly I've ever created, but most probably that I've ever seen as well. If you've not seen any of the Iron Man films, this t-shirt won't make any sense, because not only did he like AC/DC, this obviously is Iron Man, it's a Black Sabbath song, but we'll ignore that. Let's just get the apron on. Got my Iron Man badge on there as well. Stark Raving Hazelnuts. No idea what it's meant to be, no one knows, out of Endgame as well, much like Hunker Hulk Burning Fudge. We just know that it's a hazelnut based thing. Isla's come up with all the ingredients. Isla, pop the ingredients up on the screen so people can actually see what they are. And obviously one of the main flavours is the whiskey. This is obviously empty now because you've used it all, but Lafroig is a really peaty whiskey. I can't drink this stuff on my own. I'm not a big whiskey fan. To be honest, I prefer Pike Creek Canadian whiskey. Tastes like rum. That's what I prefer, but if you make this, use a whiskey that you enjoy. If you do a smaller batch, that little 50ml bottle will be enough for you. But if you do a larger batch, be prepared for the expense to roll on through, because this is certainly not a cheap ice cream to make. Anyway, let's see if it's ready. Isla, is the ice cream ready?
Sir, the physical render is complete.
Okay. Thanks, Isla. Lafroig whiskey, just to touch on that again, was one of Tony Stark's favourite drinks. Champagne, sake, whiskey, all of those kind of things. I mean, he was a billionaire playboy philanthropist, so he was all about that kind of life. Lafroig is what we think was in his massive, super amazing cooler in the first Iron Man movies when he releases the Jericho missile for demonstration. That's what's in there. So let's get some of this ice cream out into the bowl and finish decoration off. We're going to finish decoration off with this, and as mentioned earlier in the video, we're going to go for some gold leaf. I've never used this stuff before, so your guess would be as good as mine. I know that they usually use, you know, a brush and that to decorate, but we are just literally going to tap that on top like that. And I've decanted some of the whiskey sauce, and we are just going to decorate the front of that like so. Let's dive into this and see what it's like. Isla, can you talk people through the flavours, please?
Tahitian vanilla is a subtle flavour. It is allowing the hazelnut flavours to dominate. The Frangelico is just enough to enhance the Piermont hazelnuts. The Lafroig caramel sauce is very strong and something Mr. Stark would have liked very much. Mr. Stark was known for being subtle with his design choices. Wouldn't you agree, sir?
Wow. Wow. I don't really know what else to say. I hate the whiskey on its own, but it really works in the ice cream. Hazelnuts. Isla's already said it. This is off the chart. Thanks very much for watching. If you want to see some more Marvel inspired ice creams, hit the comments below and let us know. This one is great. But for now,
thank you for watching. It would be very much appreciated if you would like and subscribe to this channel. Sir, should we start work on our Black Widow ice cream?